Before the colour service, carry out a creative consultation to best assess your client's colour and care needs. Create a centre profile parting from the centre forehead to the top crown. Follow with a radial parting from ear to ear. Put on protective gloves. Hair was pre-lightened to a pale yellow using Formula 1. Starting at the nape area, take horizontal partings and apply Formula 2 from the new growth through to the lengths and ends. Secure with TIGI copyright colour mesh strips. Continue working in the same way until the back section is complete. Progress onto the side section at the top crown. Take a diagonal parting and apply Formula 2 to the new growth lengths and ends. Rest the parting on top of the section behind. Repeat on the opposite side and alternate the application until both front sections are complete. Process the colour for up to 20 minutes. Emulsify, rinse and condition with your recommended TIGI copyright care regime.